नहीं मेरे पे मत मतलब अपन शो के बाद
Oh fuck, there's notes, bro.
अपन नोट्स बना के लाया भाई
It has to be. You can't read it.
नहीं,
Oh.
हाँ
Fuck, it's great, guys. I read the first line. It's great.
ये फर्स्ट बेंचर
Yes.
Second.
सेकंड चल ठीक है कोई बात नहीं फर्स्ट बेंच पे तेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड बैठा था
वो तो last bench.
अच्छा
He seems like that person, guys. We've spoken to him.
चल ठीक है तो how did you meet your
Best friend.
कैसा
Oh,
मिला
yeah.
We went to school together, so
Acha.
we've known each other
Every
for a long
day?
time.
Sorry. Yeah.
तो you've known each other for quite a while
Yeah.
बचपन से पहचानते
Yes.
सही है अच्छा है तो मतलब सब कुछ उसका बुरा भला सब पता है तेरे को?
Yeah. I'm the best character reference for him.
But
Yes.
from the school life till now, I don't know, 10 years. 10 साल तो हो गए होंगे.
15 years.
15 years. He must have, his dating patterns must have changed. Have you seen a change or?
Yeah. Fortunately. Yeah.
Fortunately. Oh shit. If can you rate 2010 best friend? We can't name him. Dating scale 1 to 10. कहाँ पे था?
In terms of how he is as a guy,
Your perception. He's your best friend.
I would say a solid 7.
Okay. And now?
Oh, that time.
Oh, that time.
That time he was a 5.
Oh.
तो
ज़्यादा
इतने टाइम में वो इतना improve हुआ दो ही
दो ही
point improve हुआ
Every point matters.
every point
Oh, nice.
I mean I would have given my best friend 10 on 10 but like
Oh shit. Sounds like a stand-up guy. ठीक है.
ठीक है चल good ठीक है you have a pitch right you prepared a pitch
Yes.
and you've got like 1 minute to क्योंकि मैंने देखा बहुत ज्यादा है
नहीं यार.
नहीं थोड़ा सा दे सकते हैं. पहला शो
चल
है.
ठीक है
पहला show है.
पहला शो है.
ठीक है चल ओके go ahead you have to pitch to मतलब इन लोग को देख के
The other best friend is in the crowd,
वो है
but
crowd.
these
उसको भी
guys
बुला
also
लेते हैं।
matter.
उसको ही बुला ले
हाँ,
आजा
let's
आजा
go. Can we have Abdul on stage, guys?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Hi guys, I'm Abdul. I'm representing my best friend.
हाँ. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah. It's my first time on the show. Got to know of the show.
This is the first time we are on this show also. But we'll have a second show and you will be the audience. You might be the contestant. Are you dating?
No, I'm single. I recently broke up 2 months ago.
Oh damn! Should I better
So, new
for this show?
we already have a contestant
Yes.
for the next show
Sorry.
best friend भी है
Oh. Okay. So how long have you known her?
So I've known her since 2022. So
Okay.
but we got very close in a very short span of time. So yeah.
Why have you never dated her?
I don't know. I don't think we are compatible.
Guys, don't stay so silent. Huh? ये इतना खतरनाक question नहीं था. हाँ.
I don't think we are compatible that way.
Oh.
What natak?
Which means you know what her type is.
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh, nice. So, how long was her previous relationship? How long has it been since she's been in a relationship?
It's been, I think, 4 to 5 months now.
Oh.
Yeah.
And what about?
Same 4 to 5 months.
Oh, damn! It's all working, bro. It's all working. Nice.
Hey everyone, let me introduce you to my friend Vedang. He's he's my best friend, practically my brother. Known him for 15 years, so I'm as best a character reference as you'll get. He's a genuine upfront guy. He tells it like it is. So, if you need. So you never have to worry about mixed signals or anything with him. Now, a few facts about him. He's a hardcore gamer. So if he's not replying to your friend's texts or anything, don't worry. He's not ghosting out. He's probably out there dominating Valorant somewhere. Secondly, he loves sneakers. Finding unique sneakers is like an art form to him. Spends most of his time doing that. Thirdly, he loves seafood. So if your friend's a vegetarian, stars are aligning, bro. Now, for the best part, he's an IIT alum. He's got a great job, great pay. So,
IIT alum को 7 points दिया
Good one.
मुझे पता नहीं था.
so you better believe that he's going to take your best friend to the best spots in town. One thing I might say though, his music taste is really weird.
Oh,
1 second he's listening to chill indie tunes. The other second you'll find him in a boiler room gig listening to music that sounds like a washing machine.
He's versatile.
malfunctioning.
He's versatile.
Diverse music taste.
Diverse.
At the end of the day, he's a unique guy. You might love him, you might roll your eyes at him, but you won't get bored with him. Your friend. Oh, yeah.
Nice. Great pitch.
That's a great pitch to start with.
सीख बड़े ऐसे रचने का
मैं तेरे को 10 on 10 दे रहा था.
तू मुझसे बैठ के अप्रूव करता है
Right swipe.
या प्लीज
Abdul, let's go.
That was a great pitch, by the way. I don't know how I'll match up to that, but okay. Okay, so meet my friend Jazz. Meet my friend Jazz, which is short for Jaspreet. She is a 23-year-old peculiar woman, self-proclaimed hyper-independent, very hardworking, very chill, very laid-back attitude. So I guess she'll vibe well with your friend. Similar attitudes. She's tall, she's confident. She's looking for a gentleman who is secure in his masculinity and, as you mentioned, financially independent. So, bonus points if he can carry her and what?
किधर? अच्छा.
she injured
नहीं ऐसे ही मतलब this is
I think you can try that out.
these are parts
oh
that
we can try that
these are parts that you like. This happens after the date. वो वाला part.
नहीं it will happen here yes
She has both legs, guys.
yes how do you okay never mind he's diverse
So Jazz is cool with being the funnier one in the relationship, but if your friend has got good humor, you're in. Just don't make jokes on her. Make sure that you're teaming up to roast the rest of the world, not each other. That's a
they want to
requirement.
be us bro they want to be us
तू मेरा अब भी
They
मजाक
don't
उड़ा
like us.
5 मिनट पहले.
Now some fun points about Jazz. She's a walking, talking content machine, according to me. She will never bore you with her story. She never has a boring story. All her stories are very interesting. Hilariously relatable with, I think, sort of Navi Mumbai gangster vibes. So
Navi Mumbai gangster.
he said the N word bro
as for music taste, even Jazz music taste is very wide. She'll listen
let's
to.
go
Does she listen to jazz?
Nah, unfortunately.
You tried.
yeah guys
That was an obvious joke. If I didn't make it, I would kill myself.
Jaspreet is also big on fashion, and she can also design her own pants. She can design pants for your friend as well.
oh fuck
And he designs t-shirts also.
whoa
Bhai Sahab.
damn
Bhai, we didn't know that this would be so good also.
yeah
And yeah, basically, I would say if you date Jazz, your life won't be boring, I guess, on a day-to-day basis.
your friend
Yeah.
yes
We'll see if it doesn't work out with him.
oh साढ़े 15 साल की दोस्ती को बोल दिया
वही है ना?
नहीं ये भी ऐसे करता है ये भी ऐसे करता है
मैं किया.
हाँ
Okay, guys.
can we have a round of applause for the best friends
You guys can do that. We'll see them again. Those were really good. Come on, keep clapping. We like it here. Come on, let's go. Yeah! All right. Great.
10 on 10 on looks yes
Can
you guys see him? no
Almost.
oh almost
दिख रहा है क्या? कौन है ये?
नहीं यहाँ से he's looking at his lips Here, I don't know how are you feeling
Obviously, a little nervous.
चल ठीक है, टेंशन मत ले.
हाँ.
Like I know that like अभी तेरे को कोई नहीं दिख रहा है. But okay, so it's his first time being in front of an audience. So I want you guys to support him. Like थोड़ा टेंशन मत ले, ठीक है? We are not your relatives. हम लोग तेरे को ऐसा एकदम ऐसा चिल हो जा.
Chill
आराम
एकदम.
से
कुछ भी ऐसा
चिल हो जा.
गलत
कोई
सवाल
ऐसा
नहीं,
अंकल
कुछ
वंकल
नहीं.
नहीं है मैं. ठीक है भाई, I'm not going to touch you anywhere. Don't.
कोई सी नहीं
ठीक है, चल. तो अभी तू ऐसा टोपी निकाल सकता है, तेरे को निकालने का तो.
नहीं रुक जा.
ठीक है.
इसको अच्छा लग रहा है
Okay, now, are we ready for Jaspreet?
Yes.
Just read. Sorry. Jazz.
Both.
Jazz.
Both.
All right. Let's come on. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Come on. Let's go. Yes. बैठ जाइए. हाँ,
I mean-
निकाल दे. Keep it closer to your face, mouth.
Hi everyone.
Hi, Jaspreet.
Guys, please.
Yes.
Come on, clap.
Hi. You guys can talk to each
थोड़ा
other.
हाँ कैसा so
What?
नहीं I'm just saying like
What a cute
first
scene.
first impressions looks पे like what do you बोल भी सकता है तू मतलब
Oh.
More action.
उसने किया ना ये
हाँ.
तू
It's a very generic, very okay.
अच्छा ठीक है so तेरा first impression
हाँ,
clearly
वही.
not good
It looks little nerdy because of all this.
oh you gonna find out why
Yeah.
you're gonna find out why yes
I'm gonna ask you one thing. What do you think about gaming in general? Do you know any games that
I
people
know
play?
PUBG.
Ludo.
PUBG.
I know PUBG.
Shit.
Valorant.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, that's all that matters, right? Yeah, great. So he's a gamer. I think spends most of his time gaming.
Playing Valorant.
Yeah.
So
You know,
run
lot of
some
time.
YouTube channel.
No, no.
You
That's
play for
this.
fun.
That's this.
Play for fun.
Yeah.
Achha. No, I thought he's like a professional gamer. type.
what नहीं
In some time. In some time after he goes viral.
after this goes viral ठीक है
Okay.
ठीक है
Okay, you can tell us your hobbies, your some things you
My
like.
hobbies. Acha, we haven't heard the pitches.
Yeah.
we have heard the pitches
Yes.
No, we have not heard.
you have not heard the pitches
My hobbies, I tattoo on weekends.
Are you into tattoos?
Not very.
Oh.
oh
Like on yourself or on people?
Anyway.
Yeah, great. No, I mean,
No opinions?
Great, no.
No opinion.
no opinion on tattoos at all
Love
you love
tattoos.
tattoos
एक
अभी तो तू ऐसा flip किया ना जो याद है अभी बोला नहीं
I'm scared to get one, right?
अच्छा you scared to
Okay.
get one but you like them on other people great
Wow.
What if like a small tattoo?
I have a tattoo.
You have a
I
tattoo?
have a tattoo.
Oh.
It's about getting the next one.
Oh.
अच्छा किधर है
What is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Damn, bro.
Feel होगा.
Jazz लिखा है मेरे chance. Jazz. Nice.
चल ठीक है okay so now clearly थोड़ा ऐसा ये लोग ऐसा awkward हो रहे so I think we need to do like a
An exercise. Yes. We had one in
थोड़ा-
mind. Of course we did. Yeah.
थोड़ा आइस ब्रेकर
Yes.
एक्सरसाइज करते हैं ठीक है आई एम गोइंग लाइक सो इट्स अ वर्ड एसोसिएशन गेम ठीक है मतलब we'll give you a word
The audience can give you a word.
audience
Can you yell out any words that they want to... Okay, 1 second. We'll tell you what the exercise is.
एक्सरसाइज सुन ले एक्सरसाइज सुन ले
Great
भाई।
actor, great actor.
So they start with a word that we've given to them, and they say a word that comes to their mind after listening to
हाँ
your word.
दोनों सेम टाइम पे
साथ में
बोलेंगे
बोलेंगे 3, 2, 1 पे,
ठीक है
and we'll see if they get the same word.
एक एग्जांपल फॉर एग्जांपल
वो
लेट्स
Start with us.
पेपर
paper,
ठीक है लेट्स डू विद पेपर
paper.
1 2 3
अरे खाते खाते ही बोल